I'm sorry. I'm looking for building 25, apartment 318D.
This is it.
Can I get some marijuana? You roll it yourself?
Yeah.
I'm too high to drive. Gotta sleep this off. If I don't get some marijuana, my head is gonna pop a gasket. I need to get all hopped up on dope.
Hey, G. What do you want? What do you need? Looking to buy?
Gee. I am looking to buy. Are you Jack?
I got you, Jack, right here, Jack.
I've been thinking about trying something new.
What you need?
Well, I've always been a weed man, but Ray was telling me about your dope.
I like that. What are you looking to spend?
Well, I got 20.
20 gets you all the bait you need, Jack. Rock on. Guilty.
Hello, Mike. Checking the mic. Man. Hello. Check. Is that how a guitar sounds? Thank you. Awesome. Can you hear me? Seriously, check it. Seriously? Check the mic. Wait, that's me. Seriously, can I check the mic? Checking the mic. Hello, everybody. How am I doing? What is this for?